This is Cimatron quick electrode tutorial. We have this file. Later we're going to use this file as the exercise, the tutorial. And under this folder, quick electrode folder, we have this demo folder. Under this demo folder, we have this quick electrode template. This electrode template is the predefined. So later I will show you how to save your own template and how to apply it to save your electrode design time. And under here I have this electrode Arowa holder, so you can use it as your reference, and this one holder also, but just a different name. You can customize your own holder also. Okay, so I will start this electrode tutorial. Start with this electrode setup wizard. We have two options to get the file under this file asset component part. First, we have this open file, means we open Cimatron file, and this one is direct import third-party file. For example, if you have the IGS file, you just direct select this IGS file and you click this the file and just import it. Or you can import a step file, ProE file, CAD file, SolidWorks, Parasolid, DWG, and others. So there is a few options to import the file. But for this exercise, I will just open up the Cimatron file, select this file, and this is the assembly name, and this is the folder name. Turn on this, create new folder, and this is the file location. So I just browse this location and select OK. And this one preference, we can set the standard setting for this electrode. For example, the UCS, electrode UCS, you want it to as the top of base or bottom of base or top of blank or others. And this NCUCS, you can select top of the blank or top of base and others. Okay, top of geometry also available. And you can set the color also. If let's say I want to set the base for this rectangular shape, so here I can select the mark type as round or as chamfer, and I will select this chamfer and the size will be 3 mm and position the mark at a constant point. So you can pick any point that you want and then just click apply. Then the clearance height, you can set it to maybe 15, 10. You can set it by default is 20. So I don't change this one, and just click OK. And after that, confirm this electrode setup wizard. So now I have this part, and if let's say this is my UCS, it's okay to define the electrode locations. If you are not okay with this, then you can set the UCS center of geometry and define a new UCS for this part. Then you can rename the UCS, activate the UCS if you want to create a new UCS for this electrode design. So I will just cancel this. So make sure this assembly is activated, and then first I will get this extract electrode. select this area. Just pick the point, that area that you want to select it as the burn surface. Click at the corner to resize the blank size. You can adjust this. After select this face, center mouse click to confirm this area. Fit to selection. Clearance 20, the length, the width 34, and the X position. And the Y position, you can round off this. Activate electrode, no template, and click OK. So we have defined the burning surface for this electrode, and this electrode is automatic activated. Then I get this blank. So this chamfer is automatic create for me, and the base height, clearance, the allowance here, and OK. After that, I will get this auto contour. There is a composite curve created here. So select this, is automatic selected. So next, extension, electrode extension. And then this one, tangent. So you can see this surface is not at the same level. So I will change this to minimum distance. The minimum distance is about 1 mm. You can increase the minimum distance. So if let's say minimum distance 2 mm, so make it at the same level, and then apply. So we'll continue the extension, but this time I will get this direction. So tangents means will follow the surface draft angle. If let's say the surface draft angle is 5 degrees, and the extension surface will also extend with the 5 degree angle. And this one I will just direct get this direction, so means straight. Minimum distance I will change to blank, and then OK. So we have created this electrode with the blank and the extension. After that, holder. So you can get it from this Iroha. So there are different types of the holder. And OK. And next, electrode UCS, automatic selection on the top of the base. OK. And NC UCS for the NC, top of the blank or top of the geometry. So here we have the 0.1 clearance, allowance, not clearance, sorry. Okay, so we done this electrode. So I will save this as a template. Make sure this electrode is activated, and then electrode template save as template. Okay, just give a name, template 1 with holder. And then we already saved the template.